it's not like the evidence is not there neither, meaning we're lucky enough that there is all these holes and these cut marks and these things that you can find that's giving you clues on how it was done, you know? That makes it possible. Like, you know, when we went to Saqqara and we went in the underground where all these massive boxes of granite are found, like massive boxes, like where the lids alone are like in excess of 40 tons and 20 tons and 40 tons. And the box is like 70, 80 tons and so on. And they're huge, like they're huge and they're perfectly polished. The corners on the inside are perfect, right? Like they're 90-degree angle, perfect corners. Now, how do you do that? And like in a deep box, like, you know, we have nothing that does that. Yeah, there we go. That's one of the boxes that was abandoned in the middle of the tunnel, right? Look, this is another one inside the niche. And when you look at them inside the niches, if you go to the next, look at this. I mean, those are massive. Look how perfectly flat that is. Look at these surfaces. Like these surfaces are mirror finish surfaces. Thousands of years later, right? Mirror finish. And you can see whoever put those hieroglyphs on there was not the same quality culture that made the box. They barely could engrave the hieroglyphs on there. These are scratches on the stone, right? To associate whoever made that box with the people that put the hieroglyphs on it is incorrect, right? It's not, like, if you had a zoom in of these hieroglyphs, you could see how imprecise they are, you know, relative to the box precision. You know, the lines, you know, go up and down and so on. It's nothing considering. Look at how clean these cuts are on the box. The corners, the inside corners of the boxes are perfect. You can see the corners there.
Yeah.
Okay. So these corners, they're remarkably
one stone too.
Right. And the lid comes from the same stone as the box itself. The lid was quarried, harvested from the bottom of the box. So the thing was cut in one piece. It's like they went for lunch and never came back. They left that one in the middle. So now look at this box here. Okay, it's unfinished. It doesn't have the mirror polish. It's a little crooked. It's like it needs work, right? Well, the work is, so that means that the box are brought in a rough state inside the niche, which is really tight. The problem is you don't have space around there to like start like cleaning up that box and, you know, making it all nice and pretty. And never mind that some of the box length is longer than the angle in which they have to turn to go into the niche, right? So how do you do that, right? So all these things, they tell you, you know, something extraordinary happened. That was Saqqara, and there's many things in Saqqara, you know, that are still being uncovered.